boys and girls, welcome back for our final day of review question game boards. Review question 25. So let's get started. All the quadrilaterals in the box have something in common. Fill the circle next to the quadrilateral that belongs with them. Well, I'm looking at all of these shapes, and they all have 4 sides, so do all of these. But the thing that I notice about all of these shapes is all the sides are the exact same. Square, rhombus, rhombus, they're all rhombuses. So if I look at this, this is a rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, parallelogram. So which one would go? For sure be this one. And what's the name for this kind of quadrilateral? It's called a rhombus. 4 sides, all sides are equal. Two sets of parallel lines. So, how did you know that quadrilateral you picked belongs in that group? They all have 4 sides, all sides are equal, and it has 2 sets of parallel lines. Alright guys, thanks for playing today, and thanks for playing this whole time. I'd like for you to add up all your points that you got. If you participated today, give yourself a point. Add up all your points that you got all together, and Mrs. Twinter is going to send you a form to send in your total points. Thanks so much. Have a good day.